Oh, look what we have here. A Logitech G535 gaming headset. Lightweight and light speed. Let's check it out. Alright, let's unbox this bad boy. Now if you're like me and you're tired of your wired headphones getting in your way, like let's say you get a little too excited on that Victory Royale and you unplug your headset, or it's Final Circle and you unplug your headset. Yeah, but with this Logitech, not only is it wireless, it's lightweight too. And as you can see, we have the box here. It says keep playing on the top. I like that. In this box, we have the wires, I believe so. It is a USB Type-C charging cord that you need, of course. And then on the back here, this is the USB dongle to make sure it is wireless. So that is a good piece there. Now let's just wear it and see what my impressions are. Right off the bat, looks really nice. It is very light. It is only 236 grams. That's lighter than an iPhone 13 Pro. Let's take a more in-depth look. Starting off with the adjustable headband here. You can remove it like so. And yeah, make it more adjustable to your head. My head is a very odd shape, so this is very handy for me. Colorful headband. I like how it looks. Then we got some very plushy material for the head cuffs. They're very soft. I think they're quite comfortable. And let's see how flexible it is. Very flexible, so I say pretty durable. Power buttons right here, the LED light to indicate when it's on and off. And then right here, we have the adjustment dial for sound. So if your game's a little too loud, you can turn it down. If you really want to hear them crisp footsteps, you know what I'm saying, you gotta turn that bad boy up. The charging port is located on the left side, the same side as the mic right here. As you can see, pretty convenient spot if I say so myself. And then the actual ear cuffs is a 40mm driver for that crisp, clear, and deep stereo sound. And then at the front, we have the mic. It's not detachable, it just flicks up and down. And then how you make it wireless, you use this USB dongle to plug it into your PC or PlayStation, you know, for my console gamers. And yeah, simple as that. Very easy to use. You don't have to assemble it or put it together. Casual friendly, I like it. And the battery life on these bad boys are 33 hours, which in my opinion, really good. And especially in those Final Circle moments, you definitely don't want your headset to die, or else you're gonna die.
You're gonna die.
Right, putting it on here, see, easy. You know, if your mom's telling you to take out the trash, you can just boop, hear her, put back on, boop, back on. Ooh. All right, so now let's test this mic.
This is me talking in the mic. Mic check, mic check. I hope it sounds pretty good. On my end, it sounds pretty good. So, that's me yelling. And then it's me like, quiet, quiet, quiet. You can hear the comms. Comms.
And then you mute it, and then we're back to the regular mics, and hopefully you can tell the difference from that. What makes this one stand out between like other headsets and my headset is lightweight. It is very light, very comfortable. Like I said, I emphasize the comfort a lot. And yeah, I could wear these for like 8 hours easily. Whereas like my personal headphones, after like 5 hours, I gotta take them off and like stretch them out. And yeah, I have big ears too, so these actually cuff with my big ears very comfortably too. Flexibility again. And that's basically it for the Logitech G535 unboxing. My favorite points of this is this lightweight, comfortable, and that long battery life for those gaming sessions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, this is one of many unboxing series. So let us know in the comments below what you want me to unbox next. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time.